Testing, setting out, leveling and dimensions. In this lecture we are going to study about testing, which include different topics, that is setting out, leveling and dimension. Let us look at each topic one by one. Setting out. One of the most important things about setting out tool is their need for accuracy. Checking the accuracy of these tools is simple, and the basic check that can be done, one of the most common tools are described below. Measuring tools, that is simply measure our distance and check it with another measuring device. Squares, mark a line, then reverse the square and check that it line up with the marked line. Gauges, gauges a line, then check the distance with the measuring tools. A setting out rod will usually be a thin piece of plywood, hardboard or MDF on which can be drawn the full size measurement of the item to be made. It is quite often painted white in order to aid the clarity of drawing. Moving further, let us study about leveling. A spirit level is an instrument designed to indicate whether a surface is horizontal or vertical. Leveling is the measurement of geodetic height, that is, using an optical leveling instrument and a level staff or rod have a numbered scale. Common leveling instruments include the spirit level and the dummy level and the digital level and laser level. An extension of the spirit level is the bull's-eye level, a circular flat-bottomed device with a liquid under the slightly convex glass face with a circle at the center. Carpenter level looks like a short plank of wood and often has a wide body to ensure stability. Dimensions. Dimensions is defined as the measurable extent or quantity that denotes the degree to or range over which something extends. How to make dimensions on squaring walls. One of the everyday carpentry problem encountered by carpenters is the squaring up of wall plates. When the object needing to be squared up is a rectangle, it is a straightforward process of measuring diagonally until you come up with the same number from all four corners. We all know that in carpentry many times objects are shaped different than a simple rectangle. Locating window and doors dimensions. Many times the exact location of windows and doors are not clear on the blueprint. Hold tape measure on the center hallway mark and lay opening out from there. Often you will require to locate two or more evenly spaced windows in a single room or wall. The first step is to determine if the windows are centered in the room or from the outside corners. The trick to using carpentry math to locate multiple evenly spaced windows is to divide the space by one or more number, then you have windows. For example, 2 windows divided by 3 and 3 windows divided by 4 and so on. Thank you.